Hello guys, so we're here for unboxing of a fan, pedestal fan. This was at Costco, and because the weather was really hot, around 80 degrees during the summer, so we needed a fan. And they had another one which is just like a vertical one, just standing, but I thought this one blew more air, and it was a little bit more expensive than the other one by like $7. But this has adjustable height, right? It has a remote control as well. It has automatic comfort day or night. Thermostat turns fan on or off based on room temperature, which is neat. Electronic 7-hour auto off timer, 4 outlet speeds, quiet speeds, 4 quiet speeds. 16 inches blade engineered for comfort. Smooth metal grill. This is the Lasko Elite collection. This is made in the USA. And well, you guys came to the right time because it's summer and super hot upstairs. Like, I mean, during at night you can open the window and then you have fresh air, but then daytime around 4 p.m. it's kind of like hot if you stay up here. So we're gonna take this off. So want to show you guys this. It has extended coverage area, adjustable height 43 to 54 inches, 18 inches base, or spread, remote control oscillation, multi-position tilt back. I got the box out of the way right here, and that's what we got. We got the fan right here, and under the front grill is the plastic bag covering it. Nice front grill right here. It says Lasko on it. This reminds me the fan that we have in Cambodia, and yeah. So that's the back of it. That's plastic. It's a 16 inches Lasko Pedestal Fan with remote oscillation control and thermostat. The thermostat one is I've never seen that before. That's the holder, that adjustable holder for the fan, and it comes with this to secure the fan onto it. And then we have the base right here. So base is made out of plastic, and there's like a control right here, and also that's the real base. Okay, so first things first, guys, read the instruction manual before you try to install this, and read all this and caution. And that's what you should have: the base, the pipe, head assembly, that's where the motor is, rear grill, spinner, guard nut, blade, front grill, remote control, and it comes with 2 AAA batteries that is included. The base pipe, you put the base with the pipe, then you can adjust the length of the pipe, so the height of the fan. And then head assembly onto it, grill assembly, that's how you do it. Do front grill, spinner, blade, guard nut, rear grill. Okay, and this is another operation. That's a timer right here, oscillation, thermostat, power, and then yeah, and then that's it. I'm gonna show you how to install this. I took out all the plastic, and you should have all these pieces in the box that comes with the box. Remote control and 2 AAA battery, and those to secure everything, the pipe, the base, etc. And we're gonna install this now. I'm gonna get the pipe and put it onto the base right here. So this side is up, right, and not the other side, and just push it, and it just secure firmly like this. I'm gonna twist this, and then I don't know if you can see here, and pull it up like this. you can adjust the length. I want it a little bit taller so it blows into my chest and then my face. Yeah, and I secure it by tightening it. Then we're gonna get this the motor, and it has a hole right here where you can insert in here like this. Okay, and you hear a click. Just push it so it's like secured like that. Okay, I'm gonna untighten this so to plug it like, and then just leave it here in case I need it later on to secure, and let the wire free so I can plug it. Then next we're gonna put onto this right here to secure. First thing first, we're gonna get the back of the fan right here, and we're gonna put it like this. So it has like some threaded like here where you can secure this later on. Gonna put it this, and you can see there's something that's sticking out right here, so that goes way on here, which is flat. It's supposed to go like that. Okay, and push it away to the back, and then we're gonna get this one next, and this one, the back will go like this. I'm gonna rotate this a little bit just to show you guys. This way it has more lights, and then turn to the right so to lock it. Okay, then we're gonna get the fan right here. The fan, this is the back, obviously you can see, and then this is the front. So you want to get the back first, and through this screw right here, this attachment, and like that, and then push it. Okay, so it's we're gonna secure this with this cap right here. It says tighten to the left. Okay, so we're gonna, you can see it says tighten to the left, and then put it in right here and turn to the left, and it's gonna tight. You can feel it tightening it. Okay, and now the fan is moving like this, but we need a protection so people and children don't get cut by this, don't get injured. So we're gonna have the grill. The grill is pretty heavy. It's not made out of plastic, so it feels pretty sturdy. And what you want to do is, you can see these, they have like some kind of locks right here where you push the grill in and it's gonna lock that in. So I want it to be, the logo to be horizontal, so it's not like this, vertical, so it looks nice this way, so you can read the logo, and then just push it in. Okay, pretty easy install, and go. So after you lock, you put this inside right here, as you can see, and then you put those inside the grill, inside those locks like this. Then the remaining is the bottom, so you have to push it up. Okay, so it locks with this too. So everything is locked now except this one right here. It's not locked yet. Okay, you can hear clack. And what I like about this is that you can see it's adjustable height, which is great. So if you want to adjust it, just unscrew it up. Okay, and then it just fell down, so you have to probably hold this while you're doing this. I didn't know that. And so I want kind of tall. Lock it up like this, and you can see what I like about this is that it's gonna tilt. You can see it's gonna tilt pretty far up. Look at this. Look at this, how it's tilted. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very tilted high, in case you want to blow the air up there if you know you're painting the ceiling or something. And then it can go way down like this, but it doesn't go down like this, so you cannot you know, ventilate the ground. It just goes up. Okay. And then the other thing is that it has a remote right here. So I'm gonna show you how it works. One thing you need is cord extension, because this cord is not far enough to reach you know, your outlet, which is across the room. You have, you know, extension cord, and I think they should have made this a little bit longer. Plug it in right here, just temporary, and then show you guys this. So this option is to turn on, and you can see it's blowing and it's not moving, right? It's moving along, and I like that. And it says right here on number 4. So I want to have, you press again, it goes to number 3, so it spins less. And then number 2 and number 1, this is, you know, gentle breeze air, right? And then you want to set for it to, you know, move left and right. If you have more people, or you want to blow air left to right, you press this and it just turns like this. Okay, so it's gonna move left and right. You can't set an angle where, you know, sometimes you want just to blow left and then come back straight, center left, or center right. It has to go left, center right, center left, center right. Okay, so that's what missing feature in this. And then just press again to stop it. So if you want it to be right, you wait until it comes to the right and then press that button again, the rotation button, to stop it, so it keeps that angle. And then this you know, it programs for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, and then 4 hours. So 5, 7, 6, 7, and then it will stop, right? So it will blow air for this is a timer, and the temperature right here. So if it's 60 degrees, it reaches 60 degrees, then it blows air. It reaches 65, it blows air. So there's a temperature sensor inside this unit. 70 degrees, it blows air. 75 blows air. 80 blows air. But I'm gonna put it at 70. It blows air. Actually, I'm just gonna stop it. I'm gonna do manual, right? And then let me show you the remote control. So we have here is a small remote control that looks a little bit big actually for a remote control, but it's good so you can easily find it. I'm gonna move a little bit away from the fan so the noise on the video is not as bad. So that's a remote control, and it comes with 2 batteries right here. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this off. Okay, so I'm gonna put that inside right here. So if you wanna, you know, sleep and then don't want to get up, or don't want to come to the unit and touch it, just put just use the remote control that comes with it, and it's gonna be easier for you. Remote control are always easy, but since if you have like a lot of remote controls in your house, then it won't be fun, because, you know, too many remote controls is too many things. Okay, then we put it back here. Awesome. So we're gonna press the power button. Great, it works. Press stop. Also press power again to decrease the speed, and then it stops right here. And let's see if, you know, my hand in front of it is gonna turn it on. Oh, it won't turn it on. So you have to be directly, so if you're pointing right here, for example, is it gonna work? Oh, you have to point directly on towards the unit. Oh, this is the fast, a bit slower, okay. And oscillation, I'm gonna press oscillation. Okay, it works now. And stop it. And again, it's gonna complete its rotation right here. And stop it. I'm gonna do a timer. So you're gonna see the timer over there. You can see the timer is set without touching this. Okay, and the temperature right here, that's with the remote control. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I kind of want number 2, and then rotate it towards me a little bit. That's the Lasko. Okay, right, that's how you pretty easy to set it up, and then just move it up like this. And I show you, yeah, it's rotated like this up. So if you want to dry your hair, or like you want to dry something, it's pretty convenient. And you can adjust the length of it. It's pretty stable. Yeah, it's pretty stable. It's not gonna move anywhere. Okay, just turn it off. It blows pretty good air, but you know, if your room is warm, it's gonna blow warm air. And maybe better like get a portable air conditioner, so you can, you know, get the whole room cool down, instead of this just by yourself. Yeah, for extra more money, and it might be worth it if you live in a really hot, you know, weather area. And this, I might not use it during the winter, because we have 4 seasons here. And so that's just for the summer. And this week is gonna be about, you know, 30 degrees Celsius and about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And so maybe we'll see if it's gonna help me with this or not. Otherwise, maybe you know, switch it to air conditioner. And you can buy a used air conditioner as well for cheaper, $100, $200, and it might be worth it over the few years. So if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I see you guys on next video. Thanks you for watching. Bye.